Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope that you all are fine today. So in this video we are going to discuss about Olympics 2024. Yes, I know that it is little late making this video, but I wanted to make this video and I wanted to discuss about this event. So this event has been an inspiring event, inspiring game for all of us. So if you want to learn any new skills in your life, if you want to grow in your career, and if you want to be fluent in English, then you can get huge inspiration from this event, because each and every medalist who won medals in this event, they have been working very hard and they are very successful in their respective sports and careers. Okay, so in this video I have taken three sports person, very good best player in their respective fields, and we will be discussing about them and you can get inspiration from them. If you want to learn anything in your life, if you want to grow in your career, and if you want to achieve something in your life, then it is for sure that you can get huge inspiration from them, from their work. Okay, so here first sports person is Yusuf Dikek. This man is from Turkey. I am sure that you must have watched his videos, short videos, on YouTube and on Instagram. So this man has won silver medal on second position. Okay, but he is famous than gold medalist in shooting. So this man has used no modern equipments, no modern technology, no modern things, and he has won silver medals. So what you can learn from this person is, if you have strong belief in yourself, if you believe in yourself, then anything is possible. Without any fancy gears, without any modern things, without any modern facilities, you can win and you can achieve some higher goals in your life. Okay, so this man has tremendous confidence in himself. He has believed in himself that yes, I can win silver medals, or I can win easily without any modern gears, without any modern technology, without any modern and fancy gears. So if you have that strong and tremendous belief in yourself, and if you have achieved that great confidence in yourself with consistency and with hard work, then you can do anything. So if you have been working very hard towards fluency, towards English fluency, and you have been working constantly and you have been practicing English language, then it is for sure that you are going to be fluent in English. So you can get inspiration from this man. And second sports person is from Pakistan. He has won gold medal in javelin throw. You must have watched it, because he is very famous and he has got some tremendous fame with his condition, because he has come from background that he has no good financial condition, and he did not have that equipment. And if he has sit with excuses that I do not have that kind of facilities, I am from a village, very rural background, I have poor background, I cannot afford this thing, I cannot afford javelin, I cannot afford gym equipments that I can work out and achieve my goals. No, he did not have that excuses. So what you can learn is, if you have any lack of resources, if you have lack of equipments, if you have no teachers, no mentors, if you have no proper learning background, learning atmosphere, if your financial condition is not that good, so these all are not excuses. If you use excuses, then you cannot get success in your life. So from Arshad Nadeem, you can get huge inspiration that your financial background, if you do not have that facilities, if you do not have that huge resources, numerous resources, then this is not the point. You cannot have that excuses with yourself. If you have any excuses and you are saying that I do not have this thing, I do not have this facility, then you are going to fail, my dear. So learn from this man, Arshad Nadeem, and you must have that attitude that if I am having this little resources with myself, I can use this, I can learn from many things with little and limited resources. I cannot have any excuses. Okay? And next, last but not the least, are Neeraj Chopra. He has won silver medal, he has occupied second position, but he has not satisfied with himself. He has no satisfaction with silver medals because he had some injuries. So if you have your weaknesses, do not settle down. Do not settle down for less aim. Neeraj Chopra is not satisfied with himself with silver medal. So if you have any weaknesses, he has some injuries, so he could not perform well. Okay, I hope that you must have watched his game. He is not satisfied with second position, but he did not focus on injuries, and he he is not bringing his injury in center, that yes, I had some injuries and I am winning this silver medal. No, he did tell that I am sorry, I did not win gold medal. So he did not focus on injuries. He was very focused on his game with injuries, and still he has got second place. He has won silver medals. So if you have any weaknesses in yourself and you are not supposed to sit and you are not supposed to withdraw yourself from any game or any competition. So you can work hard with your weaknesses, you can work hard with your limitation, you can work hard with limited resources, you can work hard in any age. So from Neeraj Chopra you can learn is always aim high. So you can motivate yourself if you aim high for yourself. Okay? You have to believe in yourself without any weaknesses. If you have weaknesses, you cannot focus on weaknesses and just sit and do nothing. So these three sports person are very powerful in their respective field, and they have come from difficulties. They have won, and they have they have decided that yes, I have to win this, and for this I have to work very hard without any excuses, with great belief, with huge confidence with myself, and for a long time working hard. Success is not for who want success for overnight. You cannot just get success overnight. You have to work for a long period of time. You cannot be confident in just one day or 1 month or in 1 year. You have to work very hard for years. Years and years of practices make you successful. Okay, I want to repeat it. Years and years of practices make you successful. So you can get huge inspiration from each and every sports person that played and that won in Olympic 2024, and we all are proud of themselves. You have to get inspiration each and every sports person. They have been working very hard. They work very hard with great consistency. They have self discipline. They have that quality of self discipline. Self discipline can make you great person, strong person, confident person, powerful person. Okay, so this topic I wanted to discuss, and I want you to get inspiration from these people. These people are so powerful. So if you do not work hard, then you cannot get success in yourself, in your career, in your life. Okay, so work hard with supreme consistency. And in we know that if you want to be fluent in English, we have to create an atmosphere of English language. You have to watch movies in English, you have to listen to it, you have to repeat after it, and you have to speaking in English. Okay, you have to start speaking in English to be fluent in English. And for long time, if you have been working hard, then it is for sure that you can be fluent in English, and you will be fluent in English. Okay, so that's it from my side. That was the today's video. If you have anything to say, then please leave a comment in my comment section. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, do like, do share with your family and friends. I will be meeting you soon in next video with new topic. Suggest me any topic, and please work hard. Believe in yourself. You will be fluent in English. Till then, bye.